These days, air decontamination is of critical importance. 90% of infections are spread by airborne transmission. The greatest concentration of pathogens and chemical contaminants is observed in enclosed places. An effective solution to the problem is the unique and innovative technology POTOK. POTOK technology was initially developed for air decontamination in spacecraft life support systems. Today, the applicability of these units has expanded significantly. Specialists from POTOK Europe develop solutions for new purposes and objectives, adapting technology to meet society's pressing demands. POTOK technology centers around the influence of electric field strength on microorganisms. Such exposure causes deformation of the lipid membrane and the rupture and subsequent destruction of microorganisms such as bacteria and mold spores. In addition, a constant electric field ruptures intermolecular bonds, disrupts the structure of viral proteins, and ultimately results in their death. After microorganisms have been inactivated, they are filtered by special electrodes made of high-porosity metal foams. The nanostructured surface of the foamed metal plates creates zones of critical electric field intensity which continue to affect and destroy any remaining microorganisms. In addition, micropores on the surface of the electrodes provide effective filtration of damaged microorganisms. POTOK technology outpaces traditional methods of air decontamination in a number of significant ways. Researchers have shown that ozone, UV, and filtering solutions do not provide the necessary level of protection. POTOK units have an average lifespan of 10 years and are easy to maintain. They consume minimum electricity and are completely safe for people. The efficacy of POTOK technology is recognized by the world's leading laboratories and medical institutions. The technology significantly reduces the risk of hospital-acquired infections, reduces airborne diseases in public transport and public facilities, and the use of these units in food production reduces the concentration of living microorganisms in the air and increases the shelf life of the products. POTOK technology. We cure air.